This is the day in the life of a 14-year-old dirt bike racer. So first I wake up at 6 a.m. This will be the fit for the day. Then I brush my teeth. Once I'm finished with everything upstairs, I turn all the lights off. Right before I head downstairs, I remember to grab the GoPro because I'm very good about forgetting it. My dad got the bikes loaded up. The car needed some gas, so before we left town, we stopped at the gas station. And while we were there, I got a bacon, egg, and cheese croissant and an orange Gatorade. Then it was about an hour and 45-minute drive to the race. Before the race started, I had to take out my old air filter and put in the race one and get it sprayed. Then it was race time.
I see nobody coming back down the hill. I just see everybody going to the top.
And ended up finishing 13th, and we got the bike all loaded up. Once I got everything loaded up, I went and watched my friend Jacob race. He races the C class in the adult division.
Go, Jacob!
After that, my other friend, Jackson, which is Jacob's younger brother, raced. He raced the schoolboy class in the adult division for the first time.
Let's go, Jackson!
That about sums up everything I have to say. The rest of this video is just going to be a little montage of everything that happened for the rest of the day.